Okay, hello kids, how are you doing? Well, I hope everybody's fine. I'm fine. Well, here at home. Okay, I'm glad to be here with you guys one more day. And well, I heard now that you can go to the street and play for an hour. That's not bad, huh? Well, there's something right there. You have fresh air. Now you can see people, you can run, you can do lots of things, but always be careful. Okay? Be careful, all right? Because we need to maintain a distance, all right? From with other people. Be careful what you touch, where you touch, or what you do. And even if you see a friend, you can always say hello in English. Remember, say hello, how are you doing? Okay? From a distance, all right? So we have to keep a safe distance. And remember, once you walk at home, wash your hands with water and soap very well. You know how to do it very well. Okay, before you touch anything, don't touch your mouth, don't touch your ears, your eyes, don't touch your nose, don't touch nothing. All right, and always remember, keep safe. Okay, I want you to be good. I want you to be well, healthy. All right. Okay, that's good news. I got another good news for mom and dad. All right. This part I'm going to say in Spanish so they understand me. Buenas noticias para papá y mamá, para los papás, ¿vale? Por fin nos han dado el libro digital que funciona. Os voy a enviar un correo enseguida con este libro. De hecho, viene todos los libros, viene el Activity Book, viene, que es donde escriben los niños, el Pupils Book, que es este de aquí, que estamos utilizando ahora mismo, y también viene en un apartado que vienen todos los listenings, por si acaso queréis hacer los listenings en casa, ¿de acuerdo? Van acorde según la unidad y según el trabajo que estemos realizando, ¿de acuerdo? Bueno, pues yo creo que son buenas noticias, por fin tenemos las cosas, ya van en camino y arregladas. Disfrutadlo. Muchas gracias. Gracias. Thank you. Okay, now we're going to continue. Okay. Well, we have Taller Intercultural. And we're going to start with a new unit, Unit 10, our hobbies. Well, everybody has a hobby. I have some hobbies too. Okay, and here in this unit, we're going to talk about a few of them. All right, I think they're great, and I tried all of them, and I like them. For example, we have badminton here. Okay, badminton is like tennis, but it's slower. I mean, it's very fun. It's very real fun to play with. Okay, here there's a badminton net. We have some badminton rackets. This one here is not a ball. Actually, it's called feather or kill. Okay, and it goes very slow. I mean, it's not as fast as a tennis ball. Okay, and it's very fun to play with. Okay, you can play them anywhere with at this. All right, in your garden, wherever, in the park with mom and dad, and with your brothers and sisters. Okay, now we have here a table tennis. Well, you seen these ones here at school. We have two of them. Okay, they're fun. Okay, we got some blades here. Okay, we have two blades and tennis, a table tennis ball. All right, and it's fun. It's really fun. Very fast, very slow, and once you get the hang of it, you love it. Now here we have painting. I love painting, even though I don't paint that good. All right, you guys paint better than I do. So here you can create things, your imagination. You can paint you want. Even mom and dad said, "Hey, stay still. I'm gonna paint your face." Okay. Now here we got hockey. Wow, hockey, great. We got some hockey sticks here. We have a hockey ball. All right, and it's a great game to play with. All right. Now down here we got basketball. Oh, you playing this game? That's cool. I see you guys playing basketball. Okay, you got a basketball court. All right, and all you have to do is introduce the ball in here. Very easy and fun. And now here we got the great American game, baseball. All right, baseball. I love playing baseball. Okay, watching this is another thing. It's different, but I love playing it. I love the game. All right. Well, here's a bat. All right. And this is a baseball player and a baseball ball. Okay. So badminton, table tennis, paint, basketball, baseball. All right? Well, that vocabulary, we're going to be using it through the whole unit. Now, the other side, the page, let's see, so you can see the pages. Okay? We are on page, let's see if it goes, okay, 72, page 73. Okay? Now, we're going to talk about these games over here. Okay, we spoke about them here, but all right, they're like more specified. Okay, for example, I know this is a lesson match, but since I can't see you, all right, I don't know if you're matching. Okay, so I'm gonna do it for you. Okay, okay, we're gonna start with A. This is a badminton racket. This is the feather. Okay, badminton feather, the kill, as I tell you. All right. Now here, hockey. There is a stick right there and a hockey ball, okay? They're playing hockey in the grass, okay? Now here, baseball. Okay, this is a baseball glove, okay? It's very special. If you don't want to hurt your hand once you catch this ball, because this ball is really, really strong, very tough, okay? And it's kind of not that heavy, but if you grab it with your bare hand, it will hurt you. Okay, so this is the baseball ball with a baseball glove. Okay, now we got some blades here to play table tennis. Okay, with a ball right there, a table tennis ball. Okay, and here, wow, football. Okay, we have a soccer ball, a football ball. Okay, and I see you guys playing a lot in the patio. Okay, you guys loved playing this. Okay, and now here we got basketball. There's a basketball right there. Okay, you playing this too. Okay, now let's read and answer. We're gonna okay, what's going on here? Okay, I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger so we can. There we go. All right. Now this it says these children are playing football. This sport has got two names, football and soccer. Okay, football, they call it in England, and soccer, we call it in the United States. Okay, but it's the same. All right. In a football team, there are 10 players who can run and kick the ball, and one player who can kick and catch the ball. That's the goalkeeper. There you go. This player is the goalkeeper. Can you see the goalkeeper in this picture? Yes, right here. This is the goalkeeper. She's wearing an orange t-shirt, black shorts, and yellow boots. Okay, now let's answer these questions. The children are playing badminton, basketball, football. Let's see if you know. You're right. It's letter C, football. They're playing football. Okay, so is this one here, football. Now, number two, 11 players can kick the ball, catch the ball, or bounce the ball. Let's see if you know this one. Ting, time's up. Okay, yep, you are right. Letter A, kick the ball. All of them can kick the ball. Okay, now one player can run, hit the ball, or catch the ball. All right, let's see if you know number three. Let's go. Bam, time's over. Yeah, letter C, catch the ball. The goalkeeper is the only one that can catch the ball as we play. Okay, well, not bad, huh? All right, let's see. There we go. Kind of slow, but the book works. Okay, let's see. It takes a while. That's the bad thing about it. Okay, here we go. Now, ooh, I'm gonna make it a little bigger so everybody can see it, especially me. All right, grow, grow, grow. Get bigger, please. Okay, now let's go and say the number. Okay, here it says number 3. Well, name, Mira. Okay, likes, bikes, and photos. Dislikes, that means doesn't like. Okay, TV. Okay. Oh, sorry, number 3 is right here. Oh, Mr. Star likes the guitar and cooking. Dislikes horses. I like it. Yeah. I dislike. Oh no, thank you. I don't like it. No, thank you. Okay. Well, that's what it means. All right. We're gonna be working with I like, love painting. I don't like playing the guitar. Or dislikes. Okay. In this case. Okay. So here, Lenny. Okay. I'm sorry, Grandpa. Grandpa Starve likes fishing and badminton. He doesn't like or dislikes cleaning his shoes. Mmm, clever, clever Grandpa Star. Okay. Swimming and football. Dislikes table and tennis. Okay, so here we're gonna listen in point. I love fishing. I love flying kites. I like taking photos. You see, it's like wow, the most. And when you put one heart, it's like yeah, I like it. Okay, I love fishing. Okay, I love swimming. And I love painting. And I love swimming. Here, I don't like driving. I don't like cleaning shoes. I don't like running for a train. Okay, I don't like cooking. I badminton and I don't like it. Well, you see the difference? Okay, now we're gonna go to the let's see if it's opened. The activity book. I'm gonna send you. All right, great. I'm gonna send you these two pages to do. All right. Let's see if you can do this at home. Okay. We got a crossword here. Okay. And well, I don't know how you're going to be able to do it. Okay. If you can do it, go ahead. You can do it in a paper too. All right. You can just write down the words, cross them, and we done this at school. Okay. Now here it says write the words and the numbers. Okay. Here we have what? Painting. See, there are misplaced. So we had to put them in the right order. Number 4, painting. Here, it sounds like something that you go brim, 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 brim. Okay. This one here, something you can play with rockets. The ones I told you that game with a net that it looks like tennis. Very, very, very fun to play with. Okay. Here we got same thing. The ones we saw at school, and you play with blades. Yeah, we play. This is a blade. Remember? Okay. Oh yeah, I love this one with a stick. You play with a stick and the ball. What would you put here? And the great American game here. Okay, here it is. Now here it says listen and color. Okay, if you want to put the listening at home, will be perfect. Okay, so you can color it. All right. And I think it will be fun. It's very easy to do. Okay. Now here, if you don't color, it's okay. Don't worry about it. It's all right. Okay. Now complete the sentence. I think these ones are kind of tough. Okay, so you're gonna have enough with this. Okay. They are playing table tennis. Okay. Here, number 4. Okay, number 4. They are right here, as you see the picture. Swimming. You see, number 1 goes with go down. You see, there's an arrow showing you in which direction it goes, down and across. Across. That's why it's called crossword. Okay. And here it says number 4, and number 4 is right here. So here you're supposed to put swimming. Here you have to write it down. All right. Let's see if you're able to do this. Okay. Remember when they put number 6 for example, they are playing. So that's why they put you 2 gaps here. Okay, put playing and then put the sport. Okay, for you not to get lost. Okay, thank